Hi mate, welcome back to my channel. This is Hilux 2012. We're going to replace the immobilizer module, which is located behind of this panel here, upper part of the evaporator, this one here, and it's located around over there. If you can see that connector there, yeah, that's the one. You have to remove this one to access of the removal of this immobilizer module. Yeah, so you have to remove the dust. This is how it is. This car was been ex-mine. There's a handsome guy there. That's why it's full of red dust. So now we already replaced the module, so we are putting it back. The old module is here. Yeah, that's immobilizer module. So yeah, that's the one there. If you can see it properly, immobilizer module. So yeah, we're going to put it back, the dashboard and all the air conduct, or stay tuned. And then so yeah guys, we already done replacing the immobilizer module, so we already fit back the dashboard, and now we are going to code the key and reset the ECU. So yeah, that's the old immobilizer module. So we have to jump, prepare your jumper cable and jump it onto DLC connector terminal number 4 and 13. So yeah, we are going to reset the ECU for about, let's start it now. So once you jump the wire there, you have to just ignition on, and yeah, when you reset that one, when you turn the ignition on position, you should see this blinking, all the engine light, ABS, airbag, seat belt, and the cruise control. So yeah, it's closed now, 11 minutes left, and then the immobilizer security light is still blinking. Yeah, and blinking in the dash. So let's see how it goes when the timer stops, timers end. So yeah, it's 1 minute more left. Six